Hello everyone! Hello to my beloved instructor, Miss Vanessa L. Auxtero. I'm here today to discuss my topic. My topic is the research process. First, what is the research? Research systematic search for knowledge through method of study, observations, comparison, and experiment. What is the research process? The research process, series of various actions which are necessary to effective research work. Right now, we discuss the research process. Research must. Problem must be clearly recognized. Determine information already available and what further information is required, as well as the best approach for obtaining it. 6 phases of research. Problem definition, literature review, selection of research design, subjects and data collection techniques, data gathering, data processing and analysis, implications, conclusions, and recommendations. Problem definition. Describe broader context, state the objectives or purposes, state the hypothesis. Literature review. Gives theoretical rationale of problem being studied, what research has been done, and how it relates to the problem. Quality of literature should be assessed. Selection of research design. The research design indicates the steps that will need to be taken and the sequence they will occur. Assist reliability and validity. Data gathering. Must pretest. Design the sampling scheme. Questionnaires must be coded. Data processing and analysis. Describe demographics of the data, compare behavior if applicable, choose appropriate statistical technique, look for patterns in data. Interpreting the results. Make sure to consider the audience, discuss implications for the population of interest and the future research. Language of sampling. Population. Entire collection of people, things, parameter, number that results from measuring all units and population. Sampling frame. Specific data from which sample is drawn. Unit of analysis. Type of object of interest. Sample. A subset of some of the units in the population. Statistic. Number that results from measuring all units in the sample. Independent and dependent variables. Independent variable is what is manipulated, while the dependent variable is what is affected by the independent variable. Research design and methodology. In general, a research design is like a blueprint for the research. Research methodology concerns how the design is implemented, how the research is carried out. A few designs. First, cross-sectional design. A cross-sectional design provides a snapshot of the variables included in the study at one particular point in time. Advantages. Data on many variables, data from a large number of subjects, data from a dispersed subjects. Disadvantages. Increased chances of error, increased cost with more subjects and each locations. Longitudinal designs. A longitudinal design collects data over long periods of time. Time series design. A time series design collects data on the same variable at regular intervals in the form of aggregate measures of a population. Time series design are useful for establishing a baseline measure, describing changes over time. Advantages. Data easy to collect, easy to present in graphs, easy to interpret, can forecast short-term trends. Disadvantages. Data collection method may change over time, difficult to show more than one variable at a time, need to qualitative research to explain fluctuations, assume present trends will continue and change. Panel designs. Panel designs collect repeated measurements from the same people or subjects over time. Panel studies reveal changes at the individual level. Advantages: reveal individual level changes, establishes time order of variables, can show how relationships emerge. Disadvantages: difficult to obtain initial sample of subjects, difficult to keep the same subjects over time, repeated measures may influence subject behaviors. That's all. My name is Brian Sanchez, BIS1 Black 1. Thank you for watching. God bless.